I'm Charles, and I only ceramic coated half of my wrapped car, and I'm gonna put it through the ultimate torture test so you don't have to. So you probably think I'm crazy for only ceramic coating half of this car, but I really wanted to see if the hype behind these ceramic coatings is real. So stay tuned, follow my journey, and let's see how long this wrap lasts. This is the Ceramic Pro side. It is completely dirty. I haven't touched it. That looks brand new. That looks like the day we got the car, right there. We did not coat this side. The dirt is sticking to the wrap. It's starting to stain right here. We came to Auto Club. We beat the shit out of the car. This is melted rubber to the wrap. You're just wiping it off. Look how it just comes off. 30% of it came off on the uncoated side. Oh my gosh. It got rubber and stuff all down the side of the car. It is completely stained the wrap. The wrap is turning black right here. Again, non-coated side. Still, what? We're on our third event, and we still keep proving that coating your wrap is obviously worth the price. It's a no-brainer.